Here we got Reese's Pieces. M&M's like chocolate drops. But these drops aren't made of chocolate. These drops are made of peanut butter. That's how we know candy from Reese's, famous candy made with peanut butter in a crunchy shell. Here are the nutrition facts and ingredients. Okay, let us open it and get them out. There are 3 different colored drops. There is brown, orange and yellow. Let's take a bite and have a look at the peanut butter core. They taste really great, and taste so different than M&M's with chocolate filling. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.